and Springer. His main research work focuses on image processing, computer vision, information security, theory of computation, and data mining. He has published 8 books and has got grant for 1 patent. He has received 32 different awards for academic and research achievements. Today, Sir will enlighten us on the topic of advanced Excel. We heartily welcome you, sir, at DepStar. Sir,
Yes. Good morning to all of you. Those who are present. Happy Engineers Day to all of you. And you see the today's webinar on means, or you can say expert lecture on advanced Excel. And I have also completed the module of advanced Excel. I have also Microsoft certified in advanced Excel. And I see there are 271 students are present with the faculty, means coordinators also present. And based on this, today we will start the advanced Excel. You see, if you are not interested in programming, there are lots of companies are there. If you are in fifth semester or seventh semester, if you are not interested in programming, then you see the means there are lots of people are working in data analytics, or there are lots of means profiles are there for the data point of view. And based on this, the you see the advanced Excel is very important, because you see the all the data you take, or you can analyze by based on the Excel. And you know the some way, if you learn the data mining, then you also use the CSV file. It is same like a comma separable file. And based on this CSV file, you can do the analysis also. You can make the CSV file based on the Excel. Okay. Now I start my presentation. I share my content. 1 minute. My screen is visible to all of you.
No, sir.
1 minute. Maybe it is visible.
Sir. Yes, it is visible.
Okay. Now today's we have session on advanced Excel. And based on the advanced Excel, first you know about this topic of the advanced Excel. Some common basic functions, then if conditions, then text functions, then pivot table is mainly used for the analysis purpose, pivot table, then sorting, then filtering, then charts, then VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. But most of time you see your data is not a horizontal form, it is always in a form of vertical. Means you always use the vertical, means your table is always, if you see the relational database, then it is always in a form of vertical. And that's why we are using the mostly VLOOKUP rather than H lookup. H lookup is horizontal lookup, but you are using always V lookup. Then you have a conditional formatting, then data validations, then form creations. These are the new topics for you, data validations and form creation. But Excel is very important nowadays. Excel is very important nowadays. For the you see, there are, if you are from mechanical side, if you are from any you are any engineer, nowadays Excel is very important in company. People are always use Excel for data gathering and analysis or anything. People are always use for to take the reading from the any instrument. People are always use the Excel. Means Excel is very important nowadays. And based on this, you see, I will give you some demo of the today's session. Because of some time limit, I will take your lecture up to 11 o'clock. But you see, I open one Excel file. See, I open one Excel file. You know, the Microsoft Office are available. You see, you take the 13, 17, then 20. Means there are lots of versions are available. But in my PC, 2013 are there. Based on these, you have some functionalities and all these things are there. If you have any doubt, if I teach you anything, if you have any doubt, then please tell me in this chat box. Chat box is also available. Maybe chat box is there or not, I don't know. I show you something practical, means you see the all these things practically. Okay. You open the blank workbook. This is the blank workbook I want to show you. Based on this, you see some functions. Some functions are available. For example, I am writing here 11, then 12, then 13, then 14, like this. You see, the if you want to do the sum, then you are writing equal to, you are always writing the equal to, and you know it is in a form of like a matrices, because you have rows and columns, and this is one table, and you are writing any data in this. Always you see column is based on the ABCD, and your row is in a form of numbers. Okay, this is the very basic idea about the Excel. Now this is the 11, 12, 13 and 14, and you want to do the sum, then you are writing equal to sum of, and then you select this. Okay, and then you close it. This is the sum of this number, but this is in a single column. But you want to do the sum in different column, then how you can do? For example, I am writing here 15, here I am writing 13, here I am writing 17, here I am writing 18. Now you want to do the sum of all this. How to do? Anyone have idea about this? How to do the different column sum? It is also possible. Different column sum is also possible. For example, you are writing equal to sum of, then you select the first this column. Okay, then you are writing after this, you are writing comma, you select this column, then comma, you select this one, comma, you select this one. Okay, and then you close it. Okay, based on the comma you can take the different column, and then you press enter, means it will get, you will get the answer 124. Means different column sum is also possible based on this sum operation. You can also find out the average of this, means you are writing the average of, you are taking different columns. For example, this, then this one, then this one, 17, then 80, sorry, 17 comma 18, and then you close it. You will get the average value of this. Okay, you want to find out the minimum and maximum value. For example, you are writing the mean of, first of all you select this, comma, you select this one, comma, this, comma, this one, and then you close it. You will get the minimum, you will get the minimum value. If you want to find the maximum value, then you are writing the max of, you select this, comma, you select this one, comma, this one, comma, this, and then you will get the answer of maximum value out of this different column. Up to this point, up to till date, you know about only how to do the sum of single column, single row, single, means single column. Okay, but I show you how to do the sum, average, minimum, maximum, of different column. Okay, all of you get it this? You have any doubt? Means you see the some basic functions in this PPT. You see my PPT. In this basic functions, you see the sum, average, minimum, maximum. Now, very basic difference between count and count A. What is the difference? Now, in count, what is the, you see the description of the count function. It determines the number of values in a list. Okay, it determines the values in a list. Ignore the cell that contains the text. If the text is there, it is not contained, it is not counted in this count function. But if you see the count A, it also consider the text function. Does not mean you see the, it does not ignore the cell that contain the text. Now I want to show you the example, then you will get the good idea. For example, I am writing here, all of you please see. I'm writing here 12, 13, A, B, C and 15 like this. This is this data I have. Okay, this data I have. Now I want to do the count. First of all, what is the value of count? Anyone tell me? If you use the count function, then what is the answer of this? Chalo. Anyone tell me? Please on your speaker and please tell me. If you have a chat box, then please write down in the chat box. I want to see. Chat box is there or not?
Yes, sir. Chatbot is there. Hello. Hello, sir. Hello. Student, please be active and ask some question and ask your doubts, right? Make sure you have to ask 2 to 3 doubts for this advanced Excel. Okay. Make sure you have to ask something. Sir has a network issue. He is joining again. So just wait for 2 to 3 minutes.
Hello. Sorry, due to net connection, the problem. Sorry.
Okay, no problem, sir.
My screen is visible.
Uh, no, sir. Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Visible. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is visible.
I want to show you a chat box. Where is the chat box, madam? I don't know about
Uh,
this Microsoft. Where is the chat box?
Sir, in this my screen, it is visible on after the attendance, but in your screen, it is not visible.
Ah, yes, it is not possible with me because I want to see the this chat box. That's why. No problem. No problem.
Okay.
Now you see. Now what is the difference between count and count A? You see. For example, this is your count means 12, 13, A, B, C, and 15, and E11 to E16. And what is the value? Anyone tell me what is the answer of this?
3.
3. Okay,
3.
very good. The answer is 3. Very good. Means text is not counted. Text is not counted in this A, B, and C. Okay. Now, if you want to see equal to count A, and based on the count A, you see, you select this. Okay, and then now tell me what is the answer if you take the count A.
6.
Anyone tell me?
6.
Yes, very good. 6 is the right answer. Now, what is the difference between count and count A? If you see the count, in count only number is considered, and in count A, text and number both are considered. You see the text is ABC, and 12, 13, and 15 means these three and these three means total 3 plus 3 6 is the right answer. Means this is the very basic difference between count and count A. Okay. Anyone have doubt in this? What is the difference between count and count A? Average, sum, and you also see this very basic about the maximum, minimum, and average and sum. Okay. Now you see in the PPT, I want to show you the some basic things. The sum you see already how to take the sum functions, and you see here in bottom you see the it is how you take the different columns. Then maximum value, you can finding out the maximum value, you are finding out the minimum value, you find out the count, what is the difference between count and count A, you already know about this, what is the how to find the average of the number. Now you know the some decimal places, you know the how to take the decimal places. First of all, you know this what is the decimal places, and how to work with the decimal places. For example, you see here, I want to show you. For example, I am writing 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. See, if you want to take here 14, means this is you are writing. If you want to divide this, means 12 divided by 14 means 12, means A1 divided by 14. You will get this value. Okay. Now, anyone tell me if you take this up to here, means there is no value here. Okay, but I am writing here 14, then here 14, then here also 14, then here also 14, and here also 14. Okay, you will get the answer. Okay, anyone have doubt in this? But you are taking the different columns value, and all values are same in divide. Then why you are taking some functions? You can say the you know the how to take the single value. Anyone know? Rather than you are taking 14, 14, you are writing in all column. You only take this first 14 value for all the difference. Anyone know how to write this here the functions? Anyone know? My question is like this: 12 divided by 14, 13 divided by 14, 14 divided by 14, 15 divided by 14, 16 divided by 14, 14 value is same. Then what you are taking here in B1? Anyone know? Anyone know? If anyone know,
No,
then please tell me. Hello? Yes or no? Hello?
no, sir.
No, okay.
સર B1 ની જગ્યાએ ડાયરેક્ટ 14 લખી દઈએ તો
નહીં નહીં હે
B1 ની જગ્યાએ ડાયરેક્ટ 14 લખી દઈએ તો
No, no, no. My question you do not understand. Here you have a 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 and you want to divide by 14 and you want to take 14 as it is for all. Means you are writing, you are writing $1. You want to fix 14 as a row. Means you always write the dollar before row. Means $1. Means if you write the dollar, then it is fixed. And then you are taking here. You see here $1 is fixed. Here $1 is fixed. Here $1 is fixed. And $1 is you can consider as a 14. Okay, all of you get it this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Means if you want to fix the value rows and columns, if you want to fix the column, then you are writing before B, because I already told to you from starting of this lecture. I already told to you if you take the column base, then it is always in a form of ABCD, and if you want to take in a form of row base, then it is in a form of numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and you want to fix the 14, means you are writing $1 means the value is fixed. Now my another question is, you want to take the decimal places. Here you see one option is there, you want to increase the decimal and you want to decrease the decimal. I want to decrease the decimal. Okay, this is the way to increase and decrease the decimals. This is the way to increase and decrease the decimals. Okay, anyone have doubt in this? Decimal places, how to decrease and how to increase? If you have any doubt, then please tell me. Otherwise, it is okay. Okay. Now, next is, this is you are doing manually, but how to use by using functions? Then one function is there equal to round. Round is the functions, and based on the round function, you select this comma. How many values you want after the decimal places you want to means after the point, means it is a decimal places. The how many values you want? 2 values, 3 values. Then you are writing C1 comma 2, C1 comma 3, C1 comma 4 like this. C1 is your value. Okay, 0.58574143 like this. Now you are taking this, means you will get the 0.86 like this. But here you see after this you have a 000. Then how to remove this 0? You know the format here, select it and write it. You have a format cell. You have a format cell. You have a format cell. In format cell, 1 minute. In format cell, you have a number. In number, you are taking decimal places as a 2. Okay, you know this, and press OK. Now you will get after the point 2 values. You can also take the round functions. What is the use of round functions? Round functions is round off the value of means you are taking, you want to take the after the point you want to take 2 values, 3 values, 4 values, any values. If you take the 3 values, then here you are writing 3. But what will be, you change it? Here go to the round functions, means go to the format cell. In format cell you are taking here 3 and you will get the value 3 after the point. Anyone have doubt in this? What is the use of round off functions and what is the use of this format cell based on the number point of view? If you have any doubt, then please ask me. Otherwise, I will go ahead. Now next is you know about the round functions. Now next is countif and sumif, then average if. Okay. Now what is the use of countif? For example, what is the use of countif? Means you are taking the some conditions like this. For example, I want to show you, I take another sheet and I want to show you the examples of countif. See, Ram, Raja, Ram, Rahim, Ram. How many times Ram is there? For example, you have a 50,000 data and you want to find the how many times Ram is there. You want to count. Then how to count? You are writing equal to count if. Select the range. This is your range. And in double quote, you are writing Ram. And you will get the answer. How many times Ram is present? 3 times. This is the example. Okay. Now, for example, the salary of the Ram is 15,000. Here Raja is 25,000. Then Ram is 15,000. Rahim is 23,000. And it is 10,000. Different name is same, but salary is different like this. Now, someone want to ask you, okay, how many persons salary is less than greater than 15,000. Okay, then you are writing equal to count if, then you are writing the range. This is your range, comma, you are writing equal in double quote greater than 15,000. Then how many persons have a salary greater than 15,000? Two. One is 23,000 and another is 25,000. All of you get it? What is the use of count if? Anyone have doubt in this count if? Hello, my voice is audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Means or maybe all of you get it about the what is the use of count if. Okay. Now next is sum if. See, sum if and average if is totally different thing. Okay, what is the use of sum if? You see, if you want to do the sum if of, you see, यहाँ पे आप देखना सब, the sum if of, here there are three things. One is range, criteria, and sum range. Now, what is the use of range and criteria? First of all, sum if you want to do the sum of the salary, sum of salary is greater than 10,000, or you are writing the 15,000. Here I am writing greater than. चलो, मुझे क्या करना है आपको पता चल रहा है ना? ऑल ऑफ यू गेट इट और नॉट? कि मुझे सम करना है किसका? जिसकी वैल्यू जिसकी सैलरी ग्रेटर देन 15,000 हो. तो 15,000 से ग्रेटर देन सैलरी का सम आ जाना चाहिए. तो उसका सम आ गया 48. दूसरा मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूं एवरेज इफ, के चलो मुझे एवरेज फाइंड करना है. एवरेज इफ किसका एवरेज फाइंड करना है? देखो आप लोग प्लीज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू सिलेक्ट दिस कॉमा. नाउ you want to do the salary is greater than 15,000, जिसकी भी सैलरी 15,000 से ग्रेटर देन है उसका एवरेज फाइंड करके आएगा. तो उसका एवरेज आ गया 24,000. कैसे? 25,000 प्लस 23,000 डिवाइड बाई 2, 48,000 डिवाइड बाई 2 is 24,000. Now my another question is, I want to do the sum of the name is Ram. Sum of the salary of the name is Ram. देखो इसमें क्या होगा, ये दिखा रहा हूं मैं. equal to sum if, this is very important, sum if this is the range, the name is Ram, the name is Ram, और उसका सैलरी का सम होना चाहिए, तो ये सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा आपको, बराबर है। क्या हो रहा है, ये आपको तीन कंडीशन भी हो रही है इसमें। ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज माइंड वेल के फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you see it is a A1 to A5, then you see it is a Ram. Yes, if the name is Ram, then the sum of the salary of the Ram, then you will get the Ram salary. This is 15,000, this is 9,000, and this is 10,000. And you see here in bottom it is a 34,000, same it is. Okay, means by using this function you can do the sum. Now you want to do the average if, means you are writing the average if of, you select this name Ram, and based on the Ram you select these conditions. Okay, and you will get the, this is the average salary of Ram, this is the average salary of Ram. Someone ask you, means this is very important for the analytics, means sum if, average if, and count if is very important. I want to show you in PPT. Please all of you see in PPT. First of all, you see the what is the use of count if, range, and criteria. In criteria you are writing greater than, less than, or equal to anything. Okay, and the next is, this is the example of count if. And sum if, you can also use two specific parameters, otherwise you can use three parameters also, range, criteria, and sum range. It is depends on the question, okay, which type of question asked by you. Okay, now you see it is a sum if, this is the example of average if, I already showed to you. Now this is the cell reference, I already told to you. हाँ सर, हाँ हाँ, हम्म 11 वागे जाओ कि 12 वागे जाओ सर? हाँ हाँ सर, हाँ सर 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 Okay. Now you see cell reference. Now my voice is audible. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Now you see. Cell reference. You see if you want to lock row or column, you see here. For example, you want to lock row, means you see the row is always in a form of numbers and column is always in a form of alphabetical numbers. Now you see A, B, C, D is there. If you want to lock the columns, before column you are writing dollar, and if you want to lock the rows, then you want to write the row, before row you are writing the dollar. Now absolute column and relative row, means this is the example of, if you want to lock the column, if you want to lock the row, this is the example. I already show you the example of relative column and absolute row. Okay, because you want to lock the row. Okay, you see the divide functions. Okay, up to this point all of you are clear. Now next is if condition. Now what is the use of if condition? Already you learn the C language and C++, Java, Python. Maybe you are in 5th semester and 7th semester, you know about all this language and you know the conditions are there. If condition, if the conditions are satisfied, then you will get the true, otherwise you will get the false value. Okay, means if else. Okay, means you know this very well, if else conditions. Now based on the if else condition means true or false. Now based on this, this is the one example I want to show you. I have some sheets of examples. This is one Excel sheet of if examples. See, this is the example number 1. See, this is if and if this is if else with if result with else. See, for example, you have a item and quantity. Based on the item and quantity, for example, this is the if B2 is less than 10. The first condition is B2 is less than 10. You are writing reorder. What about the else condition? If you are not writing anything, then if the conditions are not satisfied, then it directly give the answer false. Okay, all of you get it this? Maybe all of you get it this. Now next is if with else. Now if with else, if B2 is less than 10 and if it is read order, if it means it is a reorder. Otherwise you are taking the blank, means if you are writing in double quote and nothing, means it is considered as a blank, means in else it is printed nothing. Okay, if the conditions are not satisfied. All of you get it this? This is the very basic about the if. Now example number 2. Now example number 2 is, you see, with the and. You know the and all. And means what? Anyone tell me what is the meaning of and or? And means you take the both the condition compulsory. And or means either or, means one condition are satisfied then another is not satisfied, then it is considered as a true. But here if the two conditions are satisfied, then it go to the true, otherwise it is go for the false. Okay. Now if A2 is Anderson, if the name is Anderson and the B2 is greater than 80, means score is greater than 80, then it is MVP, otherwise it is regular. Means in Anderson you see in this data only one row you have Anderson, otherwise there is no Anderson. Means if it is Anderson and greater than score is 80, then we will get the MVP, otherwise you will get the regular. Means it is MVP or it is regular. Okay, all of you get it this example?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have doubt this in this? Okay, now example number 3. You see the example number 3. 1 minute. In example number 3, you have or condition. Now you see, for or condition, here if you have a product apple, means A2 is apple or orange. Okay, okay, all of you get it? Means your answer is fruit. जो एप्पल और ऑरेंज हो तो आंसर फ्रूट आएगा, और दूसरा कुछ होगा तो आंसर अदर आएगा. तो इफ के साथ और यूज हो बता रहा हूं. लास्ट में मैंने बताया इफ के साथ एंड, means if and together and if and or together. Okay, means you know the this is also you have learned in is programming also, and same it is like a programming. You can also do means you can also see this programming, means if and or. Now this is very basic thing. Okay, means all of you get it this. Means apple is fruit and orange is fruit, means your answer is fruit, otherwise the paper is there, then it is other. It is based on your example. Now next is, you see this is the example based on the percentage, and this is the or condition. If the if percentage is greater than 5 percentage, then your means your difference is greater than 5 percentage or less than minus 5 percentage, then it is investigate. Otherwise it is not investigate. Okay. means you are taking the double quote, means null, means nothing is printed. Okay, means this is the very basic about the if else. Now next is very important thing I want to show you, means all of you get it about the if condition and if else. Now next is a text functions. Now what is the use of text functions? This is very useful for maintaining the student of data of the student and company employees and all these things. It is very important. First of all, I want to open one sheet. This is the text function practice sheet. I want to close this and I want to open the text function sheet. See, what is the use of this is the first name and last name is given to you and you want to convert the full name, you want to find out the proper, means first letter capital and all are small, then how it is possible? Now first of all you are writing the left, then you are writing the right, then you are writing the mid, then you are writing the concave one, sorry, first of all you are writing the upper, then you are writing the lower. Okay, means left, right, mid, upper, lower. Then you are writing the concave one, then you are writing the concave two, then you are writing the, this is concave one and concave two is a full name, and then upper level, mid, right, left. Okay, then one thing is proper is remaining. Okay, now this is the very basic operations. My voice is audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
My voice is audible now?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how to find the left and right, all these things. First of all, you are writing equal to left of, you want to find the left of navel, means आपको फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर चाहिए नेवल से, तो आपने क्या लिखा, लेफ्ट ऑफ A2 means you will get the N from the left hand side. Same as it is, if you write the A2 comma 1, then you already get the first character from this navel. But if you want to take two character of the left side, then you will get the NE, MA, JO, then BR, then CO, like this. Means this is the left. Okay, now next is right. Equal to right of, from right side of navel, you want to take the two characters. If you want to find the last character of this string, then you are writing A2, means right of A2. Okay, but you want to find out the two characters, then you are writing 2, means you will get the NN, LL, NN, then ON, like this. Now this is the very basic idea about the how to find the left and right and these things. I want to show you. Okay, what is the meaning of left, right? Okay, I will share you the PDF to your coordinator, means maybe Binal Kaka madam is there. I will share to madam and she will share to you. Okay, now left is also there. Now next is mid. Now what is the meaning of mid? Means you want to find out the mid string, means substring from the any string, means you are using mid. Now you have a text. First of all, you select the text, then you have a start position and how many characters you want from the starting of the character. For example, you see the example, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and you want to find out the mid of A2, 3. What is the meaning of 2, 3? A1 is this. Okay, A, B, C, D. Now you find out a 2. Second number is B. And from B, you are taking the 3 character. B, C, D. There is 3 character. All of you get it this? Okay. Then how to find this? It is very important. Now here you are writing equal to, you are writing the mid of, you select the navel, comma 2, comma 3, means you will get the EWE, and based on this you will get the lots of output like this. Now you want to find the lower or upper, means you want to convert into the uppercase all the characters in uppercase of this navel, then you want to convert into the uppercase, you will get the uppercase value. Now you want to convert this uppercase into the lowercase, means you are writing the lower of this, and you convert into the lowercase, means this is upper and lower. Okay, now next is length. I will show you length afterwards. But first of all, what is the concatenations? See, you want to concat the full name as a Naval Richard. Okay, means first is last name and second one is first name. How to concat this? Please, all of you see here. How to concat this? For example, see here, I am writing here for concatenations equal to, first of all you select the navel, then you use and, then you use and ampersand, and then you select the Richard. You will get the naval Richard. But someone asks you, okay, please put the space between these two. Then how to write? Here you're writing and, then double quote, then space, double quote, and end. Then you will get the naval Richard and the space is there. Well, all of you get it this? You have any doubt? Excel is very easy. Now next is another way concatenation is also possible. You have a formula, means one function is there, concatenate. This is the functions concatenate, and you select the navel, and then you select the Richard. Okay, and then you take the enter, then you will get the navel Richard. Okay, very easily. But you want to put the space between these two, means you are writing here double quote, space, double quote, and comma. Okay, and you will get the between the space. Okay, anyone have doubt in this? See, what is the meaning of proper? In latest version of Excel, this proper function is available. For example, your all the names in a form of lowercase, but you want to the first character capital and all other characters small. Then how to do this? First of all, you are writing equal to proper of this naval Richard. Naval means naval N is capital and all other are small. Then how to do proper of G2 and then enter, means you will get the first character capital and all are small. This is about the proper. Now next is length, len. How to find the length? Means you are writing the equal to len, length of this string, means this is naval Richard, enter, you will get the length of the string. Okay, means left, right, mid, upper, lower, concatenation one, means one way, second way concatenations, then proper, then if you want to join, then join by using and ampersands. Now next is, this is also very important. Next is if you have this is your full name. Okay, this is the full name. Now you want to convert full name. See, first of all you have done what you have done? First of all, you have convert last name and first name into the full name. But sometime you have only full name. Sometime you have only full name. For example, this is the full name. I want to copy and paste in one sheet. This is your full name. This is your full name. And you want to convert this full name into, this is your full name, and you convert the full name into last name and first name. Last name and first name. For example, I want to copy here. Sorry. First of all, I copy this and I paste here, and you want to paste here as a values, means this is your values. Okay. Now you want to do first name and last name separate. How to separate out this? First of all, you select this, then you go to the data. Hello, my voice is audible now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
First
sir.
of all, you select this full name. Then after the full name, you go to the data, and in data you have a text to column. In text to column, you have delimited with what? Between Naval and Richard, you have a space. Means you select the space, and then you press next. After the next, you select the where you want to copy this, means first name and last name. This is you want to copy here. Okay, you select it. Again, I want to show you, and then you will get the full name and last name. Sorry, first last name and first name. All of you get it? How to separate it? For example, I want to show you again Ram Dollar Patel, Rahim Dollar Patel, then Raja Modi, and okay, these three data you have, and between this data you have a dollar. Now you want to separate it. How to separate? First of all, you select this. See, this is very important. Go to the data, then in text to column. In text to column, you select the delimited. In delimited, you do not here between these you do not have a comma or semicolon or tab, because you have another function you are writing here dollar. Okay, means based on the dollar you want to separate out this, then press next. Now here this is very important. You want to select the where you want to copy and paste here. Okay, you select this destination, and then you apply the finish. Means based on this you will get the Ram Patel, Rahim Patel, and Raja Modi like this. Means you want to separate out this. Bolo. Anyone have doubt up to this point? If you have doubt, then please tell me. Then we will go for the data validations. Maybe all of you are clear. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Up to this point, all of you are clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next is this is about the text functions. All of you know about these text functions, lower length and all these uppercase, concatenations, then initials, then first capital means you are using proper. Separate the name and surname with the full name without functions. I already show to you these things. Now next is data validations, because this is new for you. Data validation is new for you. limit. I want to share you data validation. Yes. Now you know, for example, see here. I want to do the some data validations in book number 1 and see here one. You see, all of you know this very well. Okay, for example, if you write down the gender, you know gender is always in a two form, male and female. Okay, someone write M, someone write MALE, someone write MALE. If you enter the data, then someone write MALE, someone write F, then someone write FEMAL, female, like this. Okay, you see, data is not in a proper format. Means if you want to do this in a proper format, then data validation is very important. First of all, you select this gender column. Please, all of you mind well. All of you select this gender column. After the selecting this gender column, please go to the data and go to the data validations. In data validations, you select the okay. In data validations, go to the here. One setting is there. List. Go to the list and list. In list, you go to the list and here write down the source is male and female and press OK. Now you see here you have option male and female, means you are not writing anything. You directly go to this tuple and you select directly row, means male and female. Okay, means there it is very easy to enter the data. Now in department also, for example, you have a department and you want to, you know, there are in Charuset there are lots of departments are there. You select first of all this and go to the, I want to again show you, go data validations. In data validations, go to the list. In list, you are writing the IT department, then CSC department, then computer engineering department, and the EC department and mechanical department. Means you are only write down this, and means you only select the IT directly. You are not writing anything. This is the very important thing. You write and you will get the idea. Okay. Chalo. Anyone have doubt in this? How to do the data validations? Okay. Now in data validations, next is I want to show you. This is very easily gender. Then you can also put the is text or not. You know what is the meaning of is text? Means you are writing anything is text or not. You can also, if it is not there, then you can. Now next is I want to show you the age validations. Now your age is always more than 80 for the more than 18 and less than 60 for the job point of view. Now age. Now next is age validation. You select this age for the age validations and go to the data, and in data validations go to the whole number. Whole number is between, you want the between 18 to 16. If it is not there, then you will get the error message. Write down the error message. Write age between 18 to 60. Okay. If you are writing 2, then it will get the error message. The error, write the age is between 18 to 60. Otherwise, you see, first you cancel out. You are writing, for example, 45. Then it is okay. 35 okay. 23 is okay. 26 it is okay. 18 is okay. 19 is okay. Maybe you got it about the age validations. Okay. Now next is yes. Next is custom validations. In custom validation, you have a mobile number. Yes. You know, if you are not writing in text, then you have a is text validation. But if you are writing your in a form of numbers, then you have a is number validation. Okay. Now here you are using custom validations. For the custom validations, first of all, you select this and go to the data validations. In data validations, go to the settings. In settings, go to the custom validations. Sorry, go to the custom validations. In custom validations, you are writing for mobile number, you are writing here the formula for checking the conditions. You know, the mobile number is always, you have a how many digit? 10 digit. Means digit is 10 total, and it is always in a number, you know, it is in a form of number. Okay, means you are writing equal to, both the condition must be satisfied, and you are writing is number of this E3. This is E3 na, means you are writing E3 is number E3 comma len E3 equal to 10, and you close it. Okay, len length is also 10. Okay, now you click on it. Now you are writing here 989842138 This is my mobile number. This is valid. But if you are writing the any text, then it is invalid, because it is always in a form of number. But you are writing 8767564591234567. Okay, it is not a proper number. Means it is not in a form of 10 digit. That's why the error is there. Means I already checked the two way. But if you are right 78787878, then it is a proper number. Okay. Get it, all of you? Anyone have doubt in these validations? Maybe all of you are clear about the validations. Okay. किसी को doubt है इसमें? That's all for today. Okay. Madam,
Yes, sir.
my point of view, it is over. If you want to take another session, means I want to take another session also, but you will give me the time. I will take another session also for remaining one, because in first time I already taken the two sessions. In this semester also I will take the two sessions. This is
Okay,
very
sir.
basic. This
Sure,
is
we'll
very basic
schedule
idea.
soon. Whenever you are free, we'll schedule soon.
Okay, okay. Don't
Okay.
worry.
And thank you so much. Such a informative talk. This is very informative. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Radhika madam is also maybe present.
Yes, Radhika ma'am is also there.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Anyone have a doubt, please ask me.
Any doubt, anyone?
प्रिंसिपल कैबिन में ही है ले जाओ
अरे
No, sir.
Yash, Manard, Isha, Hinal, any doubt, beta? Anyone? The area?
No.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So, thank you very much, sir, for the informative session. I ap- represent my heartfelt gratitude for conducting the session and spending your valuable time for imparting the knowledge of Excel to the students. Thank you very much, sir.
Student, now you can leave the meeting and join your respective lecture lab. Okay.
Thank you, everyone, and once again, a very happy Engineers Day.
Thank you, ma'am.